Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Shruti Kuchhal.
author of.
9 kitchen gems for wholesome health.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Well, it is mesmerizing. I never knew that so many readers are right there across the countries because it gives a platform for everybody to just come here and experience different writing options rather.
Right.
So coming from my field, I personally feel that it is a good platform for Ayurveda. So yeah.
So ma'am, what is your book about and who is it for?
Well, the book is basically for people from all ages, especially 18 plus.
Right.
The reason being, especially post-COVID, we start focusing on health. We start talking about precaution.
Right.
And this book is a realization that you need to get closer to your kitchens, start eating home-cooked food, start looking into simple ailments from your kitchen's perspective, and you would be able to deal with things better naturally, and it is more like a calling from Ayurveda.
So as an author yourself, we have a large community of budding writers. What is one piece of advice you'd want to give them?
Now that is a tough one, is because when it comes to giving advices, people have a load. But I would just recommend be focused on what exactly you wish to write, is because too many thoughts pop up.
Right.
And the guidance of the people who are in the fraternity will actually help you, achieve your goal. So that is it.
Right.
Keep focused. That's it.
Streamline your thoughts and be around the right people.
Absolutely.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. I hope you have a wonderful book fair. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you.